Here's the key to everybody. Resumes, dead, forget about it. Email, dead, forget about it. They'll never see it. DM them. People respond.
How do I find work in a new city?
Okay, so how do you get work in a new city? That's the question, okay? How do you get work? So then I focus on the words. How, it's fine. Work, new city. Okay, what's the variable here? Work, new city. What's the one word that stands out to you? New. New. Work, new city. Take out the word new. Replace it for what? How do you get work in any city? How did you get work in the city that you're in? What else did you do? Literally, break down step by step. I'm a 5th grader. Alejandro, I don't know what to do. I want to work in the city. What would you say?
Well, you update your resume, update
Bing,
your portfolio,
bing.
and search for jobs that have openings.
Where would you search? I don't know, Alejandro. Where do you search?
There's websites, so use
Like which ones?
use Indeed. You can use AIGA.
Oh,
you can
wow.
use
Really?
Behance.
I didn't know those things existed. Okay.
Yes.
And how do I search? Do I filter through city?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And what else?
And then you do it. You apply.
But I'm
you
scared.
Upload your resume.
I'm scared, Alejandro. What if it doesn't work out?
Is this like reverse psychology right now?
What if it doesn't work out, Alejandro?
Then you just try again.
What if I try 100 times and it doesn't work out?
Well, this is my mantra. You trust your struggle, so you just keep going.
Okay, we're done. You know what to do. You believe it?
I believe it,
You do.
I
You
believe.
believe it? You
I believe.
Because we can't get. I mean, it's like, do you believe it? Yeah, I want you to believe it. Think about it. How do you get work in any city? Everything's so different. Everything's so different. Everything's so different. No, it's all the same. How do you get work in a city? Every city is the same. You look at what's available. You start to build relationships. So look up the top 12 companies that in that city that you'd like to work with. Easy. Start a dialogue with them. Here's the key to everybody. Resumes, dead, forget about it. Email, dead, forget about it. They'll never see it. DM them. People respond. I got 100 DMs yesterday. I was up, I don't know how long I was responding to every single one of them. Every single one of them. This is the new way we talk. DM on Twitter, DM on Instagram, and keep DMing them. Now, here's the key. Say something short, specific. Be clear. Do not tell them your life story. If I showed you how many messages I skipped, because it's like, blah, 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 blah. So it was a warm day in July. My mom met my father. I was like, done. I don't have time to hear your whole life story. Okay? Rule number 2, do not ask for something right away. So short and specific. I loved how you did X. Amazing. Then come back next day. Then come back next day. And show up. What you're saying to somebody when you ask for something right away, all I want is what I want. None of this is for you. And in a sea of people who want, I skip. Stand out. And it only takes half an inch from a line to stand out, because everybody stands in the same line.